In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create realistic light reflections in Photoshop using 3 simple methods that anyone can follow. Whether you're editing product photos, portraits, or creative designs, these techniques will instantly make your images look more professional and eye-catching. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll also share a quick rule that helps you choose the right reflection style every time. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. We're starting with method 1, which is the gradient reflection technique. First, go ahead and create a new layer. This keeps everything non-destructive and gives you full control over the effect. Next, select the gradient tool by pressing G on your keyboard. At the top, choose a white to transparent gradient. This is important because it allows the reflection to fade naturally into your image. Now click and drag in the direction where you want the light to reflect. You'll start to see a soft light streak appear. After that, head over to the Layers panel and change the blend modes to Soft Light. This blends the gradient into your image in a realistic way. Finally, reduce the opacity to somewhere between 20 and 40%, depending on how strong you want the effect. This method works great for subtle, natural reflections. Now let's move on to method 2, which is the ellipse highlight technique. Select the ellipse tool by pressing U, then draw a white oval shape where you want the reflection to appear. Don't worry about making it perfect because we'll soften it next. Go to Filter, then Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. Set the blur between 20 and 50 pixels depending on the size of your image. This creates a smooth glowing highlight. After that, change the blend mode of this layer to Overlay. This will help the highlight blend nicely into the image while keeping it bright and realistic. You can also adjust the opacity if needed to fine-tune the look. Finally, method 3 is the lens flare effect, which is perfect for stronger, more dramatic reflections. Start by creating a new layer and fill it with black. Then go to Filter, Render, and select Lens Flare. Choose the flare type and position it where you want the light source to be. Once applied, change the blend mode of this layer to Screen. This removes the black background and leaves only the bright flare visible. You can resize or reposition it using the transform tool if needed. Now here's a quick rule that will save you a lot of time. Use soft light or overlay when you want soft and natural reflections. Use screen when you want bright and intense reflections. Keeping this in mind will help you choose the right method instantly. And that's it. You now know 3 powerful ways to create light reflections in Photoshop. Try combining these techniques for even better results. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.